Hello YouTube. Today we're doing a Honda Rubicon front rear diff oil change because if you watched my last video, I went a little too deep and I have all my vent lines up here. I got water in the front rear diff. So today I'm going to have to change those and I'll show you how. What you got to do, if you do it like I did, drop all the skid plates, clean them all out. And then you want to get yourself a drain pan and pull out this little 10mm plug down. The oil will come out. And if yours got water in it like mine did, I'm going to let it sit all day today, most likely all day tomorrow, and spray it out with a little bit of WD-40. Hopefully get all the water out. Same for the front. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. Now, first thing you want to do, get yourself a 17mm socket, some paper towels, put your plug on, and WD-40. I have my other socket for the drain bolt right here. I'll set that right there. What you want to do is get in here to pull the main plug off so there's no airbound pressure in there, so it'll all come out evenly. Try and get the camera in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little milky looking. That's for sure. Even go grab the flashlight real quick. Show you better. Yeah, the oil's quite nasty. So let's get to it. Sit down this here camera. Switch sockets. Switch sockets. Come up under here. Pull out the drain plug. Break it loose. Use your fingers. And get up in there. That plug it right out. Yummy. There's some nasty looking stuff. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Clean this all up and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, now what you want to do is just take a simple rag and clean up your drain plugs a little bit. Doesn't really have to be too pretty. And I don't believe this has a crush washer on it, so you ain't gotta worry about that. You definitely want to make sure this is clean because it's got a rubber O-ring around here. Mine has water in it, so you definitely want to get that water out. If you want to clean that up. Helps if you use brake cleaner. I don't like to use brake cleaner on this kind of stuff. It eats away the O-rings. Make sure it's... You're not going to get all of it out, but you want to get the majority of it out. Clean that up nice and pretty. Look at that. Like brand new. Alright, now I'm going to switch to using WD-40. You can see most of it's out, but I just want to give it a little help in case there's gears a little bit. Because you know WD-40 is a water dispersant. Look at all that coming out of there. It'll help get all that stuff out. Alrighty, y'all. We're gonna switch to the front now. The front, you're gonna need an extension. Get up in here. Break this sucker loose. There we go. Sorry about that. Gotta get in there. Same thing for the front as we just did for the back. Make sure you want to clean up this cap. I believe the front's a little worse than the back. Keep it down here. Switch sockets. The front I have a little better view for you. Yeah, so on the other side watching this. Get up in here. There we are. This one I'm going to use the socket for. Can't really fit my big fingers in there. And voila, that nasty oil. Oof. That's what I get for swamping, I guess. Look at that. I don't even think that's not even like oil anymore. That's like water. That ain't good. Alrighty, remember like last time, clean your plug. Always, always, always. Especially for these fancy O-rings. Ooh, so it does have a little crush washer. Gotta make sure I check the back for that. Clean. Well, I'll get the WD-40 now. Came over here to get the WD-40 and realized, yeah, that does have a crush washer. Make sure I clean that guy up a little bit. WD-40. Come off front. Just like last time, you know? Spray her out. I can't even see. Help get all that nasty crap out of there. Next part of this video will be replacing the fluid. So stay tuned for the part 2. Thank you.